Alpha. Yeah, good morning, Nigerians. What's up? Good morning, Nigerians. I said, may I use this morning to talk to my brothers and sisters for social media, for Facebook. Election don't finish. Wanna let me get peace. Now hear me? Election don't finish. Person go post comedy. Una go dey ask APC how market. Person go post the pikin birthday. Una go dey ask APC how e do you now. Person go post show where he want still go perform for when they pay him for. October 1st, they not be my personal show, they paid me to perform tomorrow, October 1st. Wells Carton Hotel, Abuja. I just see poster and I see they talk rubbish. What did they happen? Eh? Election don't come, election don't go. Why not let me get peace? What did they happen? When I hear saying me contest election. No. I only support candidates when I like. Now bad thing. If who I support not come win, una no let me still get peace. I still the supporter, I still deal with her. Not because of politics make me the supporter. Because we get mutual understanding. And now person when I see love, you must not you must not force me to like what I don't now. I have my own right to choose my friends. Eh? Why una call they turn out to another thing? You know when life goes on. Some people they born say pikin go die. They will still move on. Some people they marry, use 30 million do marriage. At the end, the marriage no reach 1 week. Life goes on. Abi? What you come? I don't understand you now. I don't just I don't get. What it be my own inside? Person go post his show, go post another thing, una go attack her. Because me not I not able to get time to read all those una comment. If you don't know, I don't have time to, because all those things you guys are doing will not stop me from doing what I want to do. Huh? Una they talk say now so this one, now so this one. What is your business? Una they talk say now so I lose fans. My fans don't run leave me. My fans don't run leave me. Now they still carry me for Abuja tomorrow, October 1st. They paid me well. October 1st. One of the biggest, check out on Google or YouTube, Wells Carton Hotel, one of the biggest 5-star hotel in Abuja. One of the biggest 5-star hotel. Before you name 3 hotel for Abuja or 4, Wells Carton Day. What is your problem now? Any small thing, I saw this one, I saw this one, I saw this one. If now una can't be God, person no fee just drink water, drop cup. I must support who una support. Is it a must? I want for una. No, let person get peace. Yeah? What it concern me? Because I ever do tell una right from the beginning. My supporting him because I love him. I still love him. Not be all this rubbish one on the right. But all this rubbish nonsense one on the right for comment. Now I go even stop my feelings or my love for her. What is una problem? Huh? Unless you don't come, you don't go. 4 + 4 people, una don't win. I happy with una. I congratulate una. Now game. What it be my own inside? Una don't win, yes. Okay, person no feel still move on with the normal life again. Okay, as soon as I go win, I go hang myself. The 2 people now, they still be friends. I don't understand now. But more now they call the main person. I don't understand. Now you carry election for head, now war. When now you put election for head, now war. Is it a do or die affair? Eh? Is it a do or die affair? When I let person get peace. I be una win and una see me do video, they talk say, but una shock shall talk truth. Wait, I want one simple question now. Una win now. Una see me do video talk say, hey, Nala. Una ring the election. Una do this one. Una see me talk all those things. I just continue my work. Well, so you not put on for head before. I put on for head because I dey support who I want. I know they deny say I know why I go lie is ego igile. Yes, I supported my candidate, Pastor Osage Izeyamu, because I believe in him. And I still believe until now. I still deal with him. So if you don't win, it's not a do or die affair, my brother. Life goes on. Even Abraham Lincoln, how many times he failed before he win in US? You must try and keep trying. Yeah, my brother Alpha. Now let person get peace. Person just see post show. I post October 1st show when they carry me. Not be me who they do the show now. Not be me who they do it. They just book me, called me, paid me, come entertain us for Abuja. I see they go. I just see posters. Okay, I see where I will see perform tomorrow. The next thing I attack. APC. Una they send Oshomole video. Una they send Zeyamu video. Una they send this one. What if you una problem? Una be the enemies of the land. Nothing pay me reason. Una come carry my picture. Una carry my picture. I join other APC people. They share on the right enemies of the land. Me na enemy of. I can never be enemy of Edo land because I be son of Edo land. Are you tired? Person not get peace because of una. Person not dey feel sleep because of una. Person go dey sleep, they dream, they see Facebook fans. Person go dey sleep, they dream, they see 4+4 talk back. Una don't shout 4+4 talk back. To the extent, this is my 2 year. This is my 2 year. I see the year 4+4 talk back. No, let person get peace. Person go enter Facebook, una go fire am. Person go enter Instagram, una go fire am. Person go see the waka on his own. Person go see stop. Lare, ofen wahin, 4+4, gbane. Person you see dey inside house, they bath. They bath. They wait be una problem. Are you tired? PDP, APC, all of us, we are one family. So the election will be separate us to support your candidate. The election don't finish. Life goes on. What you not come? Una just see they carry politics now. They enter another thing. POI. The way you like comedy, join politics. Now they never tell say. I beg, maybe this one go sleepy. I want for now. Nigerians, una own too much. Oh. Now bad thing, me person. Okay, wait. Una you dey try tell me now say, I mean not get right to vote for. Now only one vote I get. Only one vote now I get. And now I vote for who I like. Well, not more let me okay see on a market. Guy enter make you go sleep. I beg for my for many of all the people where they start APC market, this one, they're not able to go show, they never even carry you for show, they're not a buy ticket. Mona free me now, I use God beg una. Mona free me. Many person get peace. When I get peace, I use God take beg una. Nigeria people. Lucky Maswell. Nothing pay me say. I was saying my just enter Facebook. The next thing a fire. Any post I post, fire. Any wait till they happen. Person go see the Instagram, the same thing. Person you see the Sunday they threaten me for phone. You don't dey suffer now. Hungry, go mama you. No, now. Best, you see. You know, say, till me, God still call me for old age. I not feel suffer, I get here there. As far as I can move around the world anywhere I want to go. As far as this my mouth, when God take bless me, not they pay me, I can never suffer. And God knows still let us, not be only me. But una when say they comment well, una when still wish me well. Even those who not even wish me well when they follow me, we not feel suffer by God's grace. God will always they supply and provide all our needs. So I can never accept that. I don't tired. Huh? I explained to them, say, see what this man do for me, become my baby. 2 years ago. I have no reason than to support him. Because if he win, he go better everybody. Now as he stand upon. I know they do this video, they talk, say, I not be POI again. I'm still a POI. I'm still a son of POI. I believe I still believe in his simple agenda. I don't mind waiting now they talk. And let's not finish. Let's focus and move on with the business of the day and how to move the nation forward in our only two way. I just talk. I beg, Mona not they disturb me again. Mona leave me, I get peace. Eh? I'm tired. My own, now not they find inside. My own, now not they find inside. My own. Person they feel sleep because of 4+4 people. Ha! Ah, wow. I beg, give me one share. I said, I did my pass. So I even did my pass, come greet my papa. I shock my own papa, they tell me 4+4, Ogbane. My own papa went bomb you. I beg, give me share, baby. Eh? Ah. I better comment and I not be politician or what they tell you now. Well, you still get sense past Maleke. Okay, Mr. What did Maleke do? We're not going to leave us. Eh? I'm tired. Hey, relax. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How was your night? How your family? I believe you guys are enjoying your morning. Tomorrow is October 1st. Nigeria will be 60 tomorrow. So how are you going to celebrate your Independence Day? If you know you are in Abuja, meet me up, join me tomorrow. Wells Karting Hotel, number 8, Gadu Nasco Street, Asokoro. One of the biggest hotels in Abuja. Before you mention three hotels in Abuja. As you mention Transcorp Hilton, you must mention Wells Karting Hotel, an apartment. A very big hotel. Very big hotel. The accommodation is tight. With better, lovely poolside lounge to relax. The gate fee is free of charge. Just come with your family. Now, family time out. Come with your family. Matured jokes, clean jokes, no vulgar jokes, because we are trying to capture families and friends. Just 3 hours of comedy alongside other Abuja comedians. Shortcut will be there. MC Shortcut will be there. MC Bomb will be there. Choose the general will be there also. Choose the general. All these one Abuja comedians. Olofofo will be there from Benin City, Edo State. When I know the way me they do them now, any event I they do, or they carry me or they book me, I must add my Edo entertainers join because I cook boy team in one Igbo. Olofofo will be there, MC Funny Boy will be there. All these are Edo sons, Edo comedians, free of charge. We just want to entertain families. It's not testimony night, it's not my normal show. So book me for this one. And if you're in Abuja, or if you want to come, if you book your ticket, join us in Abuja tomorrow. Let's have good time. Stop the hate, stop the insult. Then go 2 beats. You for that Abuja, you go see. Now, but to go enter your head. If you not talk well, be one. It's ego, Igile. May I tell you? Igile, ego. Look what I want to tell you, my brother. You will say, now Agboro show. Now the show now for that. You know the year where they want for to do the show, so West Cutting. Now we both people for there, white people, mature people, senators, governors. Now we want to go entertain mature people with their family, with their wives. Don't be say, but the cockare beer, they turn whole cigar, they do like this. Or the thing na bar, na beer parlor. Here you go. If you know say you get friends for Abuja, you go call your friends. May they turn up tomorrow. It's free of charge with their family, especially. Table reservations day is absolutely free. Come on, let's have good time. Let's leave politics aside. Politics is over now. So Governor Obaseki, you are the winner. Now wait here next talk. So we have to move on. In any contest, there must be a winner. Yeah, Demosa. Lamogun. Oh, you say, yeah, you are top, babe. Yeah, Demosa. Yeah, yeah. So, wanna let me have peace. I beg in the name of God. Your guest landlord. Yes, Lama be. Yes. Not come and give. You know before. Is Ego Igile. You say me I not call your name again. Now you not let me get peace for Facebook if I post. Even this live video now. That is saying you still the sharp 4+4 talk but okay, we don't hear. If I say that 4+4 when they talk back. That word gets spiritual backing. Oh, una slogan wanna bring come out. 4+4 talk back. The other one are Edo no be Lagos. Now use and capture everybody, man. It goes again another one again. 4+4 talk back. Edo no be Lagos. No godfatherism. No call my governor name again. Call POI, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, so please invite your friends, invite your family. While you dey beg for peace, you too for come. Right for time, I dey preach peace. Even before the election, when I watch my live videos, I dey always preach peace. Because any nation without peace, nothing move forward, nothing move on. Any state where peace not there, development not they come. So now peace, now be number one priority to success. You must, first of all, get your own peace of mind. You get? So, wanna let me get peace. For Facebook especially. For Instagram number 2. May I get peace. May I feel the sleep where they dream sweet dream. Come, Wellington Osadolo, you want start Abi? You know say you be 4+4, Wellington Osadolo. You want to start Abi? Yeah, old Sammy James. My presenter back then, he beat alive. Sammy James. Nazwan, good morning, bro. Good morning. Wellington Osadolo. Anek don't make una win, so Mona let me get peace. Anek say una win, so let me have peace. Now una you put election for head. Are you tired for now? Because still they do shit. Wow. Okay, tomorrow now when be October 1st, when be my mama birthday. Now even make me say I sleep here. Because I know say I know day around tomorrow. Tomorrow now when be my mama birthday, October 1st now. Una once you tell me say, Mona share this video. Mona share this video. I don't remember. Tomorrow now when be my own mother when born me a birthday, iye no gie, iye no kokomo. I believe say my mama na still una mama too. I believe say mama when born me na still una mama. I believe say una mama when born una na still my mama because na mother. So we must respect them. Tomorrow now when be my mama birthday. Una want tell me now say if I just post my mama picture, say happy birthday my sweet mom, my this. Una go see the right mama APC a market or APC a market. If una don't wish my mama birthday, wait till una do my pikin September 22. If una try for my mama tomorrow, if una try, oh God. If una try, oh my God, where they serve. You know, still let una try. It go touch una mind. Mona take rest, Mona rest. I don't know what I want to talk again because if I still talk now, I'll say, this boy they threaten us. This boy they threaten us. So yeah, tomorrow we'll finish her for Facebook or Instagram. I beg tomorrow na my mama birthday. Mona wish her well. Mona pray for her. Mona wish her long life and prosperity. Because na my sweet mother. I believe in her still na mama too. I don't share the video, but you must tell me personally, see. Who sent you to carry election for head as you be celeb? I don't carry her for head. I only support person. I've been about it to support person. Ogbafone Don Pedro. Hey! Well, una leave mama out of this market. Thank God say una no say mama na market woman. Before she stop market, except say una want ask her because ever since now, I don't stop her for market. Make no they say give me the days. They enjoy itself because she don't the old. Maybe tomorrow now, una want come ask mama her market for Satana market. Not be say. Una want come ask and say mama APC or APC nenemi. Since me na a market. Mona wish her happy birthday. Mona pray for her. Tomorrow na mama too. They complete 60 years on earth. My mother went for me. Tomorrow na they complete 60 years. Mona live her out of this. Because me they fear una now. If I even open new thing now or I do new thing now, that calls for celebration, una must still they fire me. I use God beg una. Domosa. I use God beg una or leave my mother out of this election. My mama no vote. My mama no know what to be election. My mama don't hold. Tomorrow na her birthday. Because say I post and I'm gonna not carry my own say una the verse for me. Now I can carry that anger, put for my mama body. Wala wo. Your mama na iye. If na you for suffer for your hand. You, Maleke Oligbese, need to apologize to Edo people. What do we do when we apologize to? We keep person, or we rob anybody, or we kidnap, or we curse anybody. Not be election, not be campaign. Now we'll go see they come and they apologize. Yeah? Are you tired? I'll be like you as an upcoming comedian. But you go they support EFCCP. They not get work. Mona, they wish my mom, my sweet mother. Tomorrow is our day. So we are doing it big. Not that big. Make DJ you come play for her. We cut cake, we as far as I know, they around, so more just do one in a way when be say she go enjoy her day tomorrow. Because all mothers around the world need to be respected. It's not easy to carry pikin for belle for 9 months. And then you come born her, suffer. You know, say now all these are our mama. Share this video. May I see bring una may dance more. You know, say now all these are our mama, our iye then. Now during their time when they be gay, now real love today. Now real love today. Not be nowadays girls will be say if you never spend 50K, 100K, you know get baby. She not go even consider you. You never carry her with her friends. Go Chinese restaurants, go eat. Or you never go club. May they go shout, hey God, you never pop for them. They know reason your matter. See our parents, look them when they get, when our papa they boy. Only 1 tuber of yam as a man, then you feel that marry 4 women. Because most of our papa, they know they get work. Now our mama will still suffer, go farm, labor. They will still come for night. Our papa will still let the rest. They will still fire. Join. Use head, first firewood, go market. Those kinds of not they again. All these are our mothers. Because of those suffer, then when they suffer. I don't know about you, me, they not born me with silver spoon. I believe, say, all mothers need to be respected. It's not easy to born pikin. Sleepless nights. Pikin dey inside belle, you can't still born and come out, breastfeed, begin take off. No mama wants make pikin die. Boyimeme okpunoje. So now I'm today. That is why as my mother celebrate tomorrow, Mona join me around the world, celebrate my mother. Just the way me too, still they pray, they celebrate una own, even if I never see una own. But I believe say now when your house good, now you go remember to support another person. Now you remember to go wash another person. Because say your own house good. If your house not good, you know want to go support person. So I use God beg una. Mona let me have peace. Facebook people, let me get peace. Which one be say, boy, you disappoint Edo people? Waiting, which disappoint? Una here say na me the contest. Hey? I don't know. Now be say person no you get right to support person. Election either you win or you lose. If you lose, you carry on with your life. Ha! Are you tired? I do video. Any video I do, when I will read meaning to the video. If I do video, say I hear they talk, now I'll say, okay, if I say now governor, this boy they talk to. Or if I say this guy they waiting. God, wow. More than not worry, eh? Since when I say I know get peace for this Benin, since when I say for this Edo State, now let me get peace. When I must comment rubbish for my Facebook post. Oh, no worry. Me see know what me go to do. Maybe my next live video I know talk. I will form deaf and dumb. May I look whether I'll still cost me. Because anything I talk now offense. How are you? What's your name? Brian. What tribe? Na Nigeria person you be?
Yes.
Which state?
Lagos State.
Lagos State.
Lagos State.
Ogun State. Yoba. Kilorukwe.
Adekunle.
Kilowi?
Adekunle.
Adekule. Okay. Now I don't say I dey hear Yoba. I dey hear Yoba. I dey hear Igbo. I dey hear Hausa. I dey no. Oh. The gather your family. Now Opa, you for the bear Igbo I see her. That's why you know they like good thing. Maybe like how they smoke Igbo. All these Facebook people. Maybe like how they smoke Igbo. Una don't see Igbo once. For my mouth. My lip black. Not be so happy right for time. My eye they red. Not be so it be. Basically, when I say person they smoke Igbo. If you see people when they smoke Igbo, una not they yap them. Una not they cause them. Now me, look this face where I be like how they smoke Igbo. I been about to say, my eye the red for time, my lip black. The one I get back home, eh? Many people are war for now. No, let person get peace. When I went to this Facebook, when know me, even for grant, when know me for grant. When I don't see Igbo for my hand once. When I will be my friends, when know me where, when be my real pally, my paddy there. When we dey together, they drink or when I don't see me once, smoke Igbo. If I smoke Igbo, I go crazy. Join the one with me day, so I go smoke Igbo join. Eh? They say now up for buy Igbo. Igbo gain not the Igbo, may I tell you now. If you even look in name, Igbo. How you want smoke food tribe, you say you're where? You know where now? Morocco, full country. You put on for your head, your brain. You say you're normal. Eh? If you even look wherever they sell Igbo self, eh? Even with their name, you suppose know, say, wait till you want to go buy, no good. For Benin, get where they call MO. They say Igbo there. You get where they call Moat. For second, they say Igbo there. Get where they call Osunde. For upper, they say Igbo there. You get where they call Casket. You get Wasota. They say Igbo there. You get where they call Heat Up. Heat Up if he hit you. Oh, you are gone. Then they say Igbo there. It is exotic for airport road. And Igbo constantly get different type of name. Again, when Igbo when they call decking. If that one deck you, you are gone. That one when they call casket, when they were sota, who they sell on a woman, the woman blind. The woman not they see. But if you give her money, she go give you change. We don't know the way it they do. But the woman not they see. Babe, come and say hi. My princess, come and say hi. My queen, come and say hi. Come tell them, let me get peace. Come tell them. Come beg them for me. Beautiful people, beautiful fans, beautiful brothers and sisters, handsome brothers and beautiful sisters. Oh, now they cost me again for Facebook. Oh, now let me get peace. May I be the carry boy, now let me get peace. When I go use heart attack, keep person. And the worst part, most of una when they comment rubbish, so una know me well. Una know me Richards. I dey see most of una name. Some of una na my childhood friend. Some of una my primary school friend, secondary school friend. Some of una na my friends for accounting for Uniben. When I did Uniben, accounting. Many of una for will be my many of una are my friends. Many of una we even go lecture together. We even go lecture blueprints together. We write jam together. We write everything together. Many of them, when they talk rubbish, you know all these things. Now you want, when you the find person trouble. Waiting when they find when from me when I do, I not go do one. When I want, may I provoke, may I can't do video. Then either I insult una, or when I want, may I come out, may I do video, may I can't do apology video. What I want to do apology video for? Say I vote for bad person or what? Or say I support bad person or what? No. I love you do that kind of video, my brother. I love you do that kind of video because I don't make wrong choice. Who I support now? See, son of Edo land. So not be bad person. One of the things can say be. I don't already support her. I next say no win. So I will move on. Coming out and I will do a video that Mona no, it's not called for. It's not called for at all. We not go give una a chance to come back. Come on, you took it to the extreme, bro. You Piccolo and Maleke. Come on from under the mango tree. Nothing come out from there. Abemona limit your go invite POI for your mom birthday. That one touch me. May I go invite POI for mama birthday. What did mama see do you now? What did mama see do you? Your guy, Pastor Yamu, hope say in they okay. Why you go support criminal like Yamu? Obaseki is the man. Gama, I see you last time. I'm tired for now. Dion Sagi don't run. Now you remain to run. No, you know the smoke Igbo, but your lips fit polish you. Calm down. Love me so my lip be right for that. May I go there, you pink lips. I don't go try. All those things are not Sabia. You are Kabaka the smoke Igbo. I bet I'm leave me, Joe. May I go do pink lips on my lips? Wait, you this boy, you fuck up well, but I go forget cause you no be my friend. My friend no go support POI. Next time, not they talk for election matter. Okay, I don't hear. Next time, I not go to talk for election matter again. I don't hear. Moon arrest. Move out of the mango tree. Now my power office. Now you they call under the mango tree. You know the same my power get office for this years. See my power office. See where they push. Hello. Ewo. We are Tony Kabaka. He did, I did ask. Man must move on, ladies and gentlemen. You don't smoke Igbo this morning. You know the Igbo joint. Apologize to your fans for playing wrong politics. Wait, I want to apologize for now. Eh? Wait, I want to apologize. Say, wait, doing wrong politics. I go apologize. Say, I support person. No, I don't have to do that kind of thing. I let you all finish. We move on. Let's move on. You understand me? Because this election of a Tina game. But not to the carry far. Yeah. Una remember one video when I do when one small boy called you throw bad that. The boy is here. Oh yeah, come. Quick come. I better entertain my friends all over the world. Youngest landlord for back bitter laugh. He's a cool guy. In politics, we all have right to choose. God bless you. Say hi. Greet them. Wait, this small pikin I see they greet you now. More than not going to start to the right APC, a market, or some of you even see right say small baby APC. This boy don't know what to be APC. He don't know what to be PDP. Now small pikin wala wo. More than see this small pikin because I know say the fire in now. When I want to start again. Greet them.
Hi.
Greet them. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
Ubina.
Obi what?
Ubina.
You the Igbo?
Yo.
Oh yeah, use Igbo to talk to them. Use Igbo to greet them.
I can't.
Oh yeah.
Kafagi.
You say?
Kafagi.
If they ask you na kawak fagi, no be
Kafagi.
eh?
Kafagi. I just how are you?
Hey, you come. Come. Happy. Come. Kawafagi.
Kafagi.
What did Kawafagi mean?
Me say, how are you?
How are you?
Yeah, because you're my
Yeah.
friend.
Okay. Oh yeah. Greet me with Igbo.
Kafagi.
Oh, Dima. Yeah. What it be? Kedu Kodi? Come happy. Eh? Yes. This small girl now, this small girl be this. Mona see leave this small girl. Before I cause the right say, upcoming. You know this thing you should do. Use your language to greet them. What's your name? Now from Benue, happy. Greet them. Good morning with your language. Tell them. Oh yeah, use your language to greet them. Hmm? You know the year Benue. Oh, she dey shame. This small girl they fear, and I may not see talk more than not see ask this small girl, small APC girl, our market, after my brother. This small girl they fear una. Everybody now they fear una. Not go insult them. Now them be your help. Back then, blueprint, you wear it like this, that. But you are wise, but you be your papa's. Not be Anek talk now. Edo people decide. Oh yeah, give them small wale. But now watch my boy now. He want to tell now. Obina, let's go. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, call this 5. Correct. See, they see, huh? Only this one, all this one, So tell una say, Mona leave me for waste. Mona leave me for waste. May I dey do my business, they go. Only this small boy now, he don't use this badav. Tell una say, let youngest landlord have peace. Ebosto, now also you dey also my brother. Ebosto, see 3 badav. Because you are my brother, you are my friend, you are my leader. Gift Ebosto 5 badav. Give her 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Ah. Correct. So you see and say, the boy don't tell and say, Mona leave me for waste. May I feel they do my business where they go. If I post, Mona all they cut me for comment again, unless I don't finish. May I go, let me focus on my business. See you guys tomorrow in Abuja. You're in Abuja, join me tomorrow. Well scouting, hotel and apartment. Let's have good time. Let's have good time. Baba, you need to apologize. Mona rest for which one be waiting apologize. Now that one now they fine. Eh? Eja, I keep person when be say I want to apologize or I thief anybody. I thief anybody money. I waste bad I do. Person don't see throw bad die for una. Una not see let her get peace. I bet my boy, they come here, come find you who's smoking. Go fetch water. Abi. Ewo. Where did they pay me? Eh? Many of una when you see the rat, many rats. Now they say una. See they pray. May your guest landlord may still. Now the same una see they pray say, God, may your guest landlord may still blow past like this. And the same una when you the rat many rubbish so nonsense so. Una know even one make me for. Because una know say I be una o. I be una o. Una know. A woman how una mero yi. So me know the two men waiting una they talk. Hungry never hit you. Hungry no fit still hit me. When I get people like una, when they view my status, when they like my post, when they share my post, when they book me for event, when they book me for weddings around the world, when they pay, they buy ticket to watch my shows. So people like una when still there here, so una no still let hungry beat me. Okay. You know the good thing and you dey support bad thing. Baba, you sure this boy now Ogbane family o. I don't know wetin be Ogbane. All wetin I know say Edo we be one. You will be Ogbane, me will be pure. We are one and we remain one. And one family we be, man. We are one family, ladies and gentlemen. So we won't rest for all this one. How much cash you also transfer enter your account? Oh boy, you are better than those insulting our governor. Abi, agenda. This is child abuse. Stop it. You dey see the rubbish wey person dey talk now. Small pikin dey show e talent, dey throw badive. You say na child abuse. You not throw badive when you small. Not be waiting God is sabi. Eh? Now once you start to, we child abuse. Now so Dion Osage take start to the park children together. This one touch me. Oh. Wait. I like you say na so Dion Osage take start to the gather small children. Now you open foundation. So automatically, this small boy and this small girl when me put yours now. When I want to say once you use and still do foundation. But Nigerians, una to the reason, some of una reason, I know you understand. I also cause more picking when go first water for your parents. Now, maybe you also can greet una. The next thing when I see the talk now, when I say I want to turn out to foundation. Alpha, John, come. Come greet your brothers and sisters around the world. Use your own language. They say this guy is from Cotonou. Yeah. Laissez passer. Yeah. His name is Mr. John. Say hi. Greet them with your language.
No, you know me now. I'll figure them with English.
English. No, use your. I know. Okay. A Boston say one that is more boy 5,000. That's good. Obina. Where Obina? Oh, that's small boy. Let me check the other ID. My friend say one dash and 5,000. Make call tanker. You did there?
Obina.
You go first water for your parents. If they come back. Oh yeah, John, come say hi. Mona, help me thank Ebo Stone. That is the vice chairman on Provost to Governor Godwin. I say Obaseki. Ebo Stone a strong fighter. Now strong supporter of PDP. Now strong supporter when really stand with Obaseki. Yes. When I know popular Ebo Stone. That small boy went through Badab just now. He saying get 5,000 to give the small boy. So I say, may I talk and come out. Mona thank Ebo Stone. How much me want give her? Why you they ask me how much I want give her? Now boy when they dash money before, I say if me go dash on 2,000, I be na batting 2,000, Ebo Stone 5,000. So thank you. Oh yeah, use Cotonou language. Take greeting.
Bonjour.
You say bonjour.
Let me let go.
Lenny Bedo.
Me don media.
Me don media.
Famille order.
Laissez passer.
Don't do good na me shaman.
Oh yeah, wait now, see, wait. Anything when they talk, I want to use English. Take the interpreter. Pidgin, take the interpreter. Obina. Oh, you see, huh? God don't butter this boy bread this morning. 7,000, I don't see this morning. Come, my friend, dash you 5,000. Hey, Boston, I beg. Transfer and give her. I want to tell her, maybe go bring a mama or a papa account. Come. If I say na my account now, una still talk say na I not give the boy. Nothing when how they do. Oh, yeah, come, come. Keep water first. Run, come. Can I come for road? Can I come for road? Come, moto. Oh, yeah, Who did I support in the last election? I supported Pastor Osage Andrew Izeyamu. Now I support. So I don't lie. Come greet my friend, Ebo Stone. Say, brother Ebo Stone, God bless you.
Brother Ebo Stone, God bless
Pray
you.
for her. Pray for her. He dash you 5,000. Pray for her.
God will bless you in the mighty name of Jesus.
Yes. And God will continue to touch your heart. May you they assist and they support anybody when you know say need support. Talk like that.
And
Pray for her. Ebo Stone, he don't thank you. Oh, you wrong. Go ask him. Go bring your mama or your daddy account number. Come. Account number, say bank, say person dash you 5,000. Then me dash you 2,000. So go bring account. May we transfer and put. Quick before I end this live video. Run, go as first. Your pa don't get account. You get account, go tell your pa. He go give you run, go meet her. Don't worry, may I follow you go? John, come. I follow you. Yes. Oh yeah. Anything when they talk with the language, I go to use my own pidgin. They interpret. Talk.
Bonjour.
They say bonjour. You say una good morning.
Let me lay door.
You say what?
How na dey?
No, you know they use English.
Let me lay door.
He say let me let do. That one means say wani do. What year?
La, family day.
He say family day. On amero hungry day. Happy family day. Hungry day.
La.
He say. He say what?
Ndogbe na meshame.
Talk again.
Ndogbe na meshame.
Indogbe na meshame. He say greet everybody. Oh.
Akpe.
You say?
Merci.
Merci beaucoup. Good morning, sir. Yeah. I dey do live video with my friends, my brothers around the world. So your pikin and my boy when be say it dey only make me laugh, it dey entertain me. As we can't do, and I am my friend. As he can't throw badai for this my Facebook, now my friend, my big friend, he can't say he go dash and 5,000. Now he write for comment, and he not get account. So now I say, me bring see papa, see the boy papa. They see the boy papa. So help me thank that my friend Ebo Stone.
God go bless you.
Ebo Stone say God go bless. Now the boy papa, now be this.
Anything where you find come for this life, God go dey promote you.
Amen. Why me say me also give her 2,000?
God go bless you.
So you will bring account corner. May I paste the account, give my friend. Okay. Bring your bank account, come. Which bank?
Zenith.
Zenith. I come. 22 82 17 38 70 22 821 7380. You say na Zenith Bank. Yeah. Oh yeah, you come and say hi. Come greet them. I take teach you how to greet. Oh yeah, greet them.
Good evening, sir.
Greet them again. Greet them again. Greet them again.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Greet them again. Shut
Good
up.
evening, sir.
They say, he don't greet you now. Good evening, sir. He don't greet. He don't greet. Good evening, sir. Oh yeah, wait. If you can't take money, wait till you can't greet.
Money.
If you can't take money, wait till you can't greet. You say, okay. If you can't take evening, wait till you can't greet.
Money.
Okay. If we can't take evening, you say good morning, sir.
Yes.
As we take morning now, good evening, sir.
Yes.
Which country you come from? You don't go okay.
Oh my God.
Ebo Stone say me I send the account. 22 8 21 7 3 8 70 22 821 73 870. Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank. Yeah. Ebo Stone, I just said the account. Now the small boy papa be this. He ought to bad for me. You say you want dash out 5,000. Why me say me also give 2,000? So thank you.
You know, this is no profession that is useless.
Yeah, no profession that is useless. The small boy don't get 7K now. Epa, once you get a lot, you let me know.
The whole world wants to see this boy now.
Yeah.
The whole world will see this small boy now.
Yeah. This is Lieutenant Colonel Alexander, my father. Epa Yajewu. So you can.
When my wife are now, now I'm going to.
Yeah.
My friend, good morning. Yeah, when I give by.
When I say I want to start foundation, that will not be me. That's not my calling. My calling is to entertain. So since my friend say he want dash 5,000, there is not be me go block this small boy success this morning. I have to make sure say the account number come out. Because me now, if me travel now, how you can't send the money? If he was to send me the money now, many of you now still talk say I collect this small boy money. Every su waiter, you know, see rich una talk. Yeah. Do. Yeah, yajewu. Hey, man, wish you happy birthday, ne? You know say now where you have a poster picture of where you have a ate mama APC a market. Oh yeah, me ni ala wo. Ni aleru no wa where. Yajewu no to ya wa where birthday where. We say yajewu that video ji.
Oh yeah, give me that thing like that.
Hey, go give me 2,000. Check my trouser. May I give this boy 2,000. Now send you 2,000. May not go to 20,000. You know, say if you show woman where your money dey, that money can never correct. Check his check share there. Your check round.
No, nice out.
My boss say make you send account number come. Me, I go give her 2,000. The account number, there any money they transfer. If you not transfer to them, now let me know. It don't come. Wow. Contact her. Contact her. I tell you now. Obina. Contact her, okay? Hey, Boston, see Papa.
I say, God bless you, sir.
See, it don't come. 5,000. It don't come. Wow. You say? Hey, Boston, say, see, thank you, sir.
God bless you, sir.
Yeah, you have seen.
Whatsoever you lay your hand, God will move you forward in Jesus' name.
Amen. So, yes. Thank you. Very easy, man. I not collect 10%. Oh, God.
You don't collect 10%.
Okay, Agbawa. Ebosto, thank you once again. I appreciate. At least you just make this small boy now enjoy a day today. You just make your family enjoy their day. They say, no.
And Independence Day.
Yeah, no, Baba. Daughter is down. No work is useless. They say, now, if I say one or two to them, greet them.
Oh, my people, thank you very much, my children.
Yeah.
I'm the Papa and youngest landlord.
Yeah, the Colonel, Nigeria Army.
I'm in Lieutenant Colonel Alexander Ogun. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your kindness to this small boy that you have sent a little money to. I appreciate. I like your sister. Good morning. Thank you. Good morning. Yeah. My people, I'm very happy to see this offering this morning to this boy that is with us.
If I pray for the land,
So
the land.
The land.
Thank our Oba Benin for the peaceful election.
For the peaceful election,
no killing, no
fight,
war.
no thing. This is how.
Thank all these fans that voted for their candidates.
Yes, I
Those
thank
that voted for APC, thank them. Those that voted for PDP,
I
thank them. Thank ANEC for conducting free and fair election. Yes.
I thank all of you for peaceful election, without any stress, without any trouble, without any killing.
Because it was say what day Edo election, my papa went out, so my papa still run. Come up for Edo land. He go run, leave all of us, run, leave moto. So because they dey peaceful, now make it a thank you.
Not as I sit down now, I'm getting old and I'm happy to see the election come through with happiness. And I also thank the winner, I also thank the loser. So loser does not lose everything. And also the person will win, he win everything, and at the same time, he will join everybody together. All the whole party now, we are now one. We all are Edos, we all are Benin. I thank our royal Papa, Edward II, who gave us a very good prayer. Who pray to see that there is no blood, there is no fight, there is no problem. I'm happy, Baba. Thank you. More zeal to your elbow. If Benin will be good for you, it will be good for Benin. For your royal blessing to all of us. I am very, very happy. I, Alexander, name Uwugbonwe Ogun. Thank you.
Yes. Correct. Today live video makes sense. Oh, over makes sense. I'm doing it for my sweet mother. This special live video for my sweet mother because tomorrow is her day and I will not be around. We are shutting down Abuja tomorrow. Wells Carton Hotel and apartment at Sokoro, Abuja. Come, let's enjoy. Let's have fun tomorrow in Abuja. Iye, say hi. Tomorrow is your birthday.
Tomorrow is my birthday.
Ye do gunya gwan o. Eya zebo. Ye do gunya gwan. Eya zebo.
Akwa birthday me o.
Ni an leru no ni an.
Wa ya leru me, wa ya wish you happy birthday. Salo bana we gwa mu so be me we mu so e.
O be leru ni.
Wa ya era du kwa bi ju kwa bi to ya bi gbe. Wa ya ni ra we pa gun e be ma wa ko wa ke mo kodo. Na gun ma wa. Election wo of election phone so wala wa we say for the peaceful election so
governor Obaseki no win o be pon meje o be pon me ize ya mu no be contest
Salopo be deba we o e governor no be win Salopo no be deba we no be tedomu o be tedomu o tedomu e mi we ya do no be awe yokia no ma be win or be win or be sego sabo be or be wo be win so akwa birthday me wa ya wa be lerun me o Salopo no la agogo no le dagbon no tan no le ni ma ya fe ya mi ami ga ya we
ukpo be de no
ukpori e nukpobere ma ju po
yes
awi ma say the 2021 day awi ma ya ga so eyi ma ho e na awi ma ga so no ma e na agogo yi fu ma bo gogo ma kian mi e dagbin ma
he said so I be na e don clear bi
happy
no be say oh God Zagia we obina make on take it 2000 before una consider tell me say pin the account I want give your mama birthday alert. Don't worry. God bless all of you now. We appreciate. Both you know get Baba na Baba. Yes. Nice comment. We are not where to throw. Ladies and gentlemen, so tomorrow make sure who's in the comment? Decline.
happy
Send the account number, send the account number. The account they there, not be my account number. The small boy went through but that if papa account they there. If na my account number una dey find, una no go see am. Before una talk say I don't go open foundation, na money I want to they collect. They collect for people. The young man's father's account number is there, so if that's what you are looking for. Yeah, see 2K. I want go give her. See 2K. See 2K, 2000. A Bosto don't send you. You want to say you want 700K, the account did there. I don't paste already. You can support. What will be now, sir? Just come out. Okay. Tiens, see Papa, take.
I greet you, sir. God bless you, man.
Yeah, you born better picking. You born better son. And I pray say this is talent, you go carry and go far.
Amen.
And the money to take trainer for school and for any work we want to do, no go still hard you.
Amen.
For me, youngest landlord, my friend Ebo Stone, and everybody when watch on the trouble that when still support, we say thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Thank you. Correct. Koye. Namogu. Toi, Mia. Ide. Iwe a video. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a good time. I believe say Nigerians and Edo citizens, Edo sons and daughters, we can move on now. We can move on as brothers and sisters. Once again, thank you for your patience. Thank you for listening to me, my father, and thank you guys for wishing my mother happy birthday in advance. Yeah. So now only wait till I get. Unless you don't come, you don't go. Let's move on. Let's live as brothers and sisters. Let's keep enjoying ourselves, promoting ourselves. May God bless you. Enjoy your day. I guess today is yes, on Wednesday now. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is October 1st. Nigeria will be 60. So pray for the country, especially. Pray for Nigeria. Pray for good leaders. And also pray for your own self as a citizen of this great nation. So thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Wells Carton Hotel and Apartment at Sokoro, Abuja. If you dey mention 5-star hotel for Abuja, 5-star hotel for Abuja, Wells Carton Hotel na number 1. The only hotel where be say aeroplane dey land on top of the roof. Na aeroplane dey land. 5-star. The only hotel where be say if you use a water system, as you use a toilet, as you want flush, water system go tell you thank you for using me. Now West Carton Hotel. Now it dey. Very affordable, very nice. The only hotel, West Carton Hotel, not be all those kind of hotel where be say once you back the door, if you back hotel door, you back am, AC go on. West Carton not be like that. Everything makes sense for West Carton at Sohoro. See you guys tomorrow. Let's have fun. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Bye for now. Bye bye.